All right, right. Let's do this. So, welcome everyone. We're gonna start the live stream now. We have half an hour left before we go to NY session. So yesterday we had this huge move, which was pretty amazing. So anyone who have taken buys and made some profit, congratulations. It's something that most of people, I think most of the people are looking for sell at this area, but including myself. But still, if you have got the buys, it would be amazing. So let's do some analysis from top to bottom here. Looking at the weekly time frame, we got a new weekly candle here as well as new daily candle. So looking at this time frame here, we got two bullish candle and third, which is like did break the high, but it not did not continue yet. So we'll wait for if price is flipping bearish or not. All right, yet it did not flip bearish yet. So I'm just gonna mark the low of this current candle here. All right. Now going to 4 hour. So we have 1 hour 33 minutes left for 4 hour candle to close, to be exact. Oh, and another thing, like the thing that you showed, I mean the September record. I'm not sure if that's the proper one. Let me see if I did add in my every trade that I have taken till now. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here so I can see this. All right. Okay, so we got how many wins here? We have so let's count some losses first. Then we go to the win section. All right. Where is this? All right, yeah, let's do this. So when there we go. This is our live data here. So I'm just gonna. I don't know if I can rearrange this in history. All right, let's count this. Okay. So I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is the partial close and everything because this will be confusing now to count every day. Let's do this. What I'm gonna do is custom period. We're gonna go to from. We started from. It says 1970. We go to current 2024. We are in September. There you go. So from September. Wait a second. I think it will be good if we. I started from 27th, I guess. 27th. Okay. We're gonna be doing 27th. Okay. So yeah, we started on 27th here. That's right. Let's go to second day to Wednesday till 31, let's say. Yeah. So we have taken in that period, we have taken 3 trades in total. You can see that here, which was pretty small one, pretty managing risk, creating something. I mean, a little bit profit to risk it. So was a what that was nice. So till 28 to 31, we had first trade. I think was on 28, 30, and the another one on 28. I think this was a close by half off. But anyway, so wins. Let's do this. Okay, from 28 till the buy on the end of the today's date. Okay, and we're gonna add some. Okay, so we got this. All right, so I'm gonna change by date here. All right, there we go. There we go. We got our thing. So most likely we got first trade, second trade, We started from here, then we had a loss. So we got first loss on, I think, second date. We got our first loss there. Then we had our big win on third date. So in total, I think we have one, we have two, then this is, I think all was on one trade, I guess, because look at the price action entry point here, I think. So everything was at one price point. Yeah. So it could be like, one trade idea. So I'm just gonna count it as a third and we had a fourth. So in total we have four losses there. Okay, we have here on the chart which says okay, there we go. It's updated now. Now we go from here. How much have here? One, this is two, three, four, five, and we had a sixth, seventh, and eight. In total, we have eight win, I guess. That's nice. I mean, and there are some trades at break even. I guess we have one. Yeah, I guess we have one, and this is the second. So I think we have two, no, three. Let's do it from the top. We have one, two, then we have three. Yeah, overall we have three break even as well. So three at break even. I think that is right. All right. It does look right, to be honest. But anyway, so now we're gonna do the analysis here. Oh, all right. Let's do some analysis. So we're gonna go to 4 hour time frame. I see that price did created low here, and looking at the 1 hour time frame here, we did break the low of Asian session here. Now we are flipping bullish, but also this is a new, 1 hour candle, and it's been already like 30 minutes, and it have not yet flipped bearish here at this point. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we got one candle closure which is bullish. So what I'm gonna do is mark this zone here. But actually, this is like still creating higher lows here. Look at this. So let's say from here we had a low, we created a new high, then a low, then a high, then a low, respecting this previous low at the same time. So now we have not created the new high, but at the same time we did break this new previous low we had, also this lows. So now what I can say is that once we tap into this zone or this zone, we should be looking for sells at this point because we are seeing price have some change, in the trend at this point. So what I'm going to be looking for at the start of the New York session is that first I would like to see some, price creating highs, then, dropping back to the zones, something similar to those areas. But yeah, I mean, that would be good to have it. On the other hand, so let me just do this. Okay. I'm gonna write a text waiting for this trade idea. At this point, we are just waiting for the trade idea. All right. Let's do analysis on GU as well. Like, let's go to weekly here. So what I see is price is still respecting this previous uh, lows, and we have break above the yesterday high here. All right. Now, what I see is that price may continue going up to the monthly high at this point. It should be good to go monthly high here. In London, in Asian, we have created a high. London, we created a high. So I think in New York session, we will have a little bit of a pullback here into this zone. And then I think we should be good to go up here. That's what we should be looking for because yeah, I think this could be a good setup here as well. I think how much will that be if we get it? That's 70 pips, but also GU does move slow compared to gold and GJ. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna wait and see how prices are doing. If we get a better trade idea on gold compared to GU, then we're gonna take the trade on gold and leave GU out of the thing. So let's do analysis on the so you see, we've been trending up. Now we have a huge correction here, and now we are still coming down. So what we can see on the daily time frame as well is that yet we have not, broke this low we created, but also like we have rejected twice here. So if I go to 4 hour time frame, you'll see that this wick that is count as a rejection because we created a high then, and now we are coming to those lows again. But right now we did not break that low here. So this is like lower low, but we did not break the low. So technically we are still waiting for price action to break above this area. Once we have that, then most likely what we can see, hey hi, what we can see is something like a retest, and then price may continue going to this high to do a retest here. But yeah, that's what we can say. So that's the analysis on GU at this point. But we're gonna wait for. So I'm just gonna write here that we are waiting for price to break above. Where I'm from? What do you think? Where I'm from? And does it even matter like where I'm from? Are you gonna pay me a visit? Are you gonna come to my house then? So yeah, let's do some detailed thing here now. So what I see, damn, these people, they just, I don't know what to say. All right, so at this point, what we can do is if price if price do break below this area we have, what we're gonna do is wait a little bit, and I think if we do break this area, how much bit is that? 50 pips. Question is, we have around 30 minutes for price to start in New York session. All right, so at this point, I think once we have a closure below this structure, then most likely we can look for something else. But for now, if I'm looking for a 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, we are still waiting for trade setup that we can take here. But the good thing is that we should wait for the New York session before we take any trade. I would love to take this setup here we have. Once we have a break of structure of this area, you see, then smaller retest and price may continue coming down. But the only reason I'm not taking this trade is we are not into the session we have. So there is not much volume. Once we go into the New York session, we might get enough volume for price to continue going down. On also, we will get more confirmation that price is moving this way even in New York session. So because again, if you have watched my past live stream, I already said that in every session volume does change. So it depends how for an example, let's say the US New York session had some nice buying volume. Again, on the previous day, on 12th September, nice buying volume. But if I go to 11th September, we had a sell off. Then again, we did went up, then we came down. So eventually, price did went up, but after taking out some lows here. So I think we should wait for the session to start up. Then, if the volumes are in our favor, then we will take that trade. Waiting for trade idea and session there. At this point, I mean, we have no choice to just do it. Like, I mean, yeah. But anyway, like, if you guys want to be a part of my Discord community, link will be in the description. It's totally free to join. So please do that. Do we have any news today? Like, is there any news we have? Oh, we do not. We have weekend bank holiday. 10. I mean, all right. So we do not have any news. So whatever the New York session volume does will be an important thing because that will be the last volume I think we will see, and that will be an NYSC. So it will be pretty late from me. So I won't be trading that. it will be good if I can just caught some trade here at this point. But I think eventually we should be coming down to this zones here. And also, I think if we are coming down here, then this candle will be flipping bearish at the same point. And we have, I think we have still 15 minutes left. I mean, we can, play games, but for 15 minutes, I guess no. Once we have a better trade either, then I would like, let's say, I mean, we can play games if you want. But if people do enjoy that, then we will. But for now, I do not think so we can do much. Price yet. Price is like still retesting these zones. It's not breaking below the structure. So at this point, like we're still waiting for New York session to start. Once we do that, then most likely we should see a volume that either price gonna go up to the this highs we have, or either we're gonna come down. By the way, if you guys have yet did not join the giveaway, I would advise you guys to join the giveaway we are doing. Let me show you what do I mean is that we are doing a giveaway. Okay, that is 5 funded account. We're gonna select the winner on, I think, 27th September. We're gonna give away 2 funded account, but now we have changed that to 5. So if you want to be the part of this giveaway, you just need to go in my Discord group. Link will be in the description. Participate, join through this. It will redirect here, and yeah, really easy, simple process. All right. I think price might be, before we go to NY session, we might see some volume till here. Then we might see this, price coming down. And from there, we should be like retesting those highs and then drop down. But if we do not see this like, let's say like in New York session, we have a volume that is like against us. Like the price is not selling, it will be just going up. So what we're gonna do is wait for price to create some kind of structure there where we can enter. That would be better. So yeah, exactly 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, we got a closure of a 30-minute candle and also 1 hour candle. So that will give us more confirmation where price will be heading. So let's see. Because if we do break this low here, then we might be coming to this lows. I'm talking about the next candle when the new 1 hour candle do open up. If we do break this low, then most likely we should be coming to this lows, and then once we have done that, we should see new session volume pushing that price to 2566. That would be our next support zone. But question is like depend if today New York session is still bullish like yesterday we had, then we should be seeing something like price just coming back up and breaking it and making a new high at this point. I'll be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. All right. So yeah, we have still 5 minutes left. I mean, looking at the current 5 minutes we have, we should be moving up here, I guess. Yeah, most likely if we do break this high, we should be good for price to coming back up at this point. Yeah, price is moving at this point. Price is moving to the top. Questions like after this, or are we going to reject and come down, or are we just going to do a retest at this point and just going to continue going up? Let's see. Let's wait and watch here to see how price does then. Even GU started pushing at this point. GJ is moving down. Question is, I'm still not sure if I'm able to take this trade yet. I'm just gonna wait still. Like once we are in the New York session, then I would like to see how. Sorry. So then I would like to see how price is reacting. So based off that, I can take a trade because this could be a consolidation. Once we go to the New York session, this could be a consolidation. Price does reject this highs again, come down. So it would be way better if we see how price is doing. And there we go. We have exactly 59 seconds for price to move. 30 seconds. Let's see now. Once we do enter into this session, we're gonna continue going up. The daily candle is like coming back to the so as well 4 can feel bullish. No, just gonna be this. And we have 10 seconds. Yeah, we just come to NY session. I mean, we just started NY session. All right. You see, price did break the high here, and now it's looking bearish. Even for, let's say, Once we see a rejection of these areas again, then we might like this could be a good idea. Like once we see a rejection, though, but if we do not see a rejection, I'm sure. Right now, or now, if we see that price to break below the structure, then I will take the trade and put. I'm going to target the low we have in a London session. So most likely we should be going for that. But either we're going to go for the high of the London session or Asian high. Once we took out those, then yeah, at this point, I mean, we will wait for price to move. We can still take a buy on GJ to be honest. Sorry, GU. What I mean is that we have multiple reasons to take a buy and at least target 20 pips on this trade. But at the same time, question is, will this 4 hour candle, will you go to the high? We can at least get around 20 pips on this trade. Being. So what I see here is that once we do break this structure, then I would like to take a buy. But right now, I'm not going to take the buy. The only reason I'm not taking this buy here on GU is that we can easily reject this highs, break the London high, and then flip bearish. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for price to break above and do at least one or two rejection of this point before continuing the trend here. And looking at the GJ at this point, price did break below here, rejecting the zones we had. But the point is that once we do reject again, because price will automatically look at this. What I'm trying to say is that let's say, for an example, price rejected once, then we had another bullish candle, price rejected again, then had a move here. Same thing here. Price came up, rejected, came down. So, we had a multiple rejection at this point. So we should be able to see another rejection before coming down. So I'm going to wait for that, or either we're going to see a break of structure here. Looking at the GU, price is pushing, but we need to wait 10 minutes. We need to wait at least this 15-minute candle should close above at least for that. And also for gold, I told you what I'm looking for is that on a 5-minute time frame, once we have a closure below the structure, then it would be great to take that trade. So yeah. Guys, if you're watching the live stream, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We do the live stream every day. So yeah, and it's totally free. So what do you all right, so we got new 55-minute candle opening up here. We have new bottom wick. So let's see. I mean, so like also like this 1 hour candle can be can be a small liquidity grab for price to come up and retouch this highs. But if it's like that, we will see that in some minutes because we got highs and lows in New York session. Let's wait for that. How price is reacting now based on that. You guys know that right now on this account that we are trading, I don't know why it's not. Yeah, there we go. So right now the account we are trading here, which is this one, right? So I'm just gonna go to tools. I don't know where is it. Chart reports. There we go. So there is this report. This will give me an overview on my trading thing. So let's get a summary, right? Total commissions, total gross loss, and we have profit. So Sharp ratio is 0.26 out of 5. Profit factor is 2 out of 4. So that is 50% profit. Like you can see that. Max drawdown we had is 8.37%. Mm, on the other hand, like we have similar growth right now, not something wild we are doing on the account. Also, this is my trading. Like you can see that overall we had some losses, but we are doing good in the long run. Long and short, we have so mostly like 55% are long, and the total trade that I have taken is shorts. Symbol that I trade mostly is, I think, commodity, like, yeah, most likely. But our profit factor is better on GJ right till now. Also, risk, if I go to risk here, yeah, next, this is the balance drawdown and everything. I don't know what is the max deposit load, but yeah. So overall, we are up around 15%. So that is a that is a really good growth in like 20 days, I guess, 20 or 23 days. So we got 15%. That is too much actually. But yeah, we're gonna do it better this time. So looking at the 5 minute candle here is that we did break the low and now candle is flipping bullish. So once we do break the high, we should be coming up here. That's what I'm looking for, to be honest. Like we have 3 minutes left. Let's see. Once this candle do close, like if we do flip bullish here, or most likely that, then I think we should be looking for buys. but depends. We still have some time. Let's wait and see how price is reacting. All right. So yeah, we have 2 minutes. Once we see that this candle is flipping bullish and breaking the high again, then I think taking a buy will be better. Once we see that breaking its own high, then I think we're going to target around 30 pips. Overall, we can target this high. But yeah, we're going to close partials at 30 pips or 20, 25 pips. But let's see. We still want candle to break this high here. But yeah, let me rewrite that here. Okay, waiting for tries to create a structure. I don't know. I think my one key is not working or something or what. Let me try it. I think structure. I just copy pasted from the other thing because I think one. This is something like C. I guess not working. No, it's working. It's working. I don't know then what happened to my keyboard just now. But anyway, yeah, waiting for price to create a structure or what I can say, waiting for BOS, that means vertical structure, which is way better, right? Smaller and people can see that. All right. Now prices you can see that it's pushing really hard, but also keep in mind that we have a closure here on 15 minute, which is still above this area. That means what price did here is that created a low. I'm gonna go from here, made a high, made a low, then from there made a new high. Now price is like this, right? So we are still respecting the low price, could still, from this area, any of this area, it could reject and go back up. So it would be great if we see a break of structure below this area for price to continue coming down, you know. So that is the trade idea we are looking for. We have 13 minutes for 30-minute candle to close. 13 minutes. So, all right, like even on a GJ price did created a low, now it's coming back down. Most likely that's what we are looking for. Wait a second. We might reject this area once because we have record rejection of this area. You see this? So we're gonna wait and see how price is reacting. But most likely what I'm gonna see here is something like, price creating lower structure, something like this. We might see something like this, or if not like this, still here, once it does price to come back up, and we see rejection, a consolidation, and then break of the structure. Some similar of these two setup that we can see on GJ. Also, we have bank holidays, so that's why we do not have much volume. But like, I'm going to use another half hour, I guess, maximum 45 minutes. If I do not see a trade setup, then I'm going to be off the charts. And yeah. Okay, next 1 minute, if you do get a break of structure here, that would be amazing. All right, we do see that. Now I'm just going to wait for 1 minute because then we will have price to, get me below here. So looking at the 1 hour, we are coming down. 4 hour, nice. All we just need to now do is wait for price to break below and close below that area. So I'm gonna go to my 1 minute. So you can see that I'm gonna be usually I do risk like two lot size, but today I'm gonna do 1.50 because there's not much volume and there's no way I'm gonna risk my usual lot size. So you see this reaction here? Like price did break the low and now it's reaction. This is something I was not expecting, but you still have to wait. Man, I need a coffee as well. Like it's 5:50 or maybe tea. Maybe tea. So now if we do, let's say now if we get a break of structure now, after breaking below, that gives us more confirmation that price just we tested this high and lose and rejected there. But again, on a famine time frame, like we do not have a bottom wick on this trade. So on this candle, sorry. And if we do flip bearish, coming down and continuing, the thing will be good too. Oh my God. Yeah. So let's see if we once we do break the low here, then I think I'm gonna take the trade here. Once we do break the low, I'm gonna put stop loss exactly above this structure, 37 pips. All right. So yeah, taking the trade below this area, putting the trade above the structure. Okay, price did not yet come down. Okay, so we're still waiting at this point. Yeah, once we do get the break of this candle, waiting for price to break low. So I'm just gonna put this here so people can also see this. That we are waiting for price to break the low here. Once we see that price have break the low, then we can take the trade. We have 2 minutes 40 seconds. Let's see. All right, I think we are coming down, but yet we did not break the low. So we were so close to break the low, but we did not yet. So yeah, we're still waiting at this point though. We have 1 minute 50 seconds. So in that next minute, if we do not, if price even do close below this low, that would be great. We have around 1 minute 10 seconds. So yeah, in next 6 minutes we'll know that price is gonna continue going down or not. Because if this candle do flip bullish here from here, then I'm not gonna take this sell entry point, but still waiting though. Because next 5 minute candle is gonna be an interesting candle to see how it's gonna, move there. But we do not want price to, flip bullish on a 15 minute candle. If we see that, then I think I'm not gonna take the trade here below this areas. We have 22 seconds. There we go. Now all we just need to do is wait, and price will show us the holy grail, and we're gonna be making profit. All right, so yeah, prices, we did create a wick and rejected, now flipping bearish. So once we do break this low, then I will be looking for sells. All right, just waiting at this point, because as I said, we need to see price breaking this low here. Once we see that, we should be good for price to continue going down, and we can close partials at this point. Also, even on if let's say when we get a new 30-minute candle to open up, we should see price may retest to this highs here and then reject and flip bearish. So yeah, we got 3 minutes left. Let's wait 3 minutes as well, because that will give us some more confirmation where to enter in the trade. Keep in mind, I'm not in the trade, okay? I'm not in the trade. You can see there is no open trade. So still waiting at this point. We have 3 minutes. We're gonna see how price is doing. In the meantime, like if you have any questions or anything, you can ask me that. Nice. So now gold is moving to the top. So 15-minute candle will be flipping bullish here in some time. In next 2 minutes, we will see if this candle is flipping bullish or not. Let's what do we have on GU? Okay, on even on GU, we are waiting for price here. Once we do, okay, we are coming up. For GJ, we are waiting as well. So most likely we should be good on if GU is creating an eye there, then I think gold should be coming up too as well. What do we have on DXY? What price is it doing? Going down? Redraw. Okay. I mean, if he is seeing this, we should be seeing that gold should be coming back up then. Like question is if gold will go up then. We have around 1 minute left. So I'm still gonna wait. I'm gonna remove this right now because I'm gonna wait how the next candle is reacting in next 1 minute. What price can do here is that we might get a a break of the list these lows we have here, and then price can come down a little bit and then go up. So we don't want to risk that, and we're gonna wait at this point. Once we get the new candle open up, then it will be good. Once we get the new candle open up, then we're gonna wait for price to come back up, then flip bearish, breaking the low, coming down. GU is going up at this point, I guess. Did we get a closure here? Like in 19 seconds, we'll get a break of structure here. Even on this price entry point, yeah. So okay, there is a gap. I mean, there's no news, but there's a small gap. You see that prices did break the low, or it did respect the low. It did break the low. See, so now it's coming back up. So what I'm gonna do is we have this one again, right? So once we get flip here, then I'm gonna take that step. I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna wait now because I do not want to risk, just for no reason because there is no setup and I just force the trade. We do not do that. Like we'll just wait. There's no problem with that. We just wait for extra 5 to 10 minutes. And if we do not get the setup, then it's okay. We're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna wait for the trade idea and we're gonna repeat the process. So, even on GJ, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? That we might see a rejection of these areas. What we are doing, rejecting. So we just need to focus. We just need to focus on things, and you will see where price is heading. This 1 hour candle do flip bullish. We should be seeing price coming up. Now I'm just waiting for this candle to close in next 2 minutes or so. Then we will get a clear structure where price gonna go. Look at this. This is 1 5 minute candle, and it just pushed down from here to here, which is like 30 pips. Again, I'm just gonna remind you guys again at the end of the live stream, like we are doing a giveaway. Link will be in the description, and everything will be written in Discord in the announcement section. You can get all the information from that. But we are giving away like around 500 accounts. So do join the Discord group and follow the instruction from there. And I hope you will be the winner of the group. And like our community is not that big, so possible chances are you can, you know, win this. We got 50 seconds. Let's see. So this is what I'm talking about. We are giving away 500 account, and there's other instructions in 10 days. 10 days. So you just need to go join the Discord group, and that's all. Not much. All right, 17, 18 second left. So now if we get a break of structure above this area, then I think taking a trade would not hurt us because we waited for price to move. Question is the scandal. Okay, so on GU we did take out so on the start of the live stream when we are doing the analysis, you know that what I said is that once we had a break of structure, I would like to see a retest before prices going up. But because there could be a fake out, that's what happened just now. All right, price is coming down again. Question is, okay, so if we do flip bearish from here, I'm going to take myself. Question is, are we going to or I can to not? Okay, still waiting at this point. There is no trade yet taken. You can see that we are waiting. Once we do flip bearish, below break the low again, and that would be fine. We are there. You go. We are in the trade now, boys and girls. We are in the trade. There you go. Now, when I say stop loss at break even, just put the stop loss at break even, but not right now. We're gonna close our partials at exactly 30 pips. We are risking around 35 pips. So that's why you're going to close partials at 30, 35, 30 pips. Okay. And our stop loss is above the structure here we have. So that is 36 pips or so. But yeah, that is our trade for today. Let's see what we can get. You can see my lot size is less than the usual lot size. So what we just need to wait for is either price to break below and continue coming down in this area. But if we do not see that, then we are done for today. Price is flipping bullish again, which was not expected. All right. So we have for this 1 hour candle close, we have around 22 minutes. So I'm gonna give 15-minute candle closure in next 7 minutes. So I'm gonna give around 7 minutes. If this candle stay above this areas, above this zone, then I'm gonna close at partial at least, because then we might be consolidating at this point. What I would like to see is price coming down this lows to this lows we have here. We are in the trade, put stop loss above this zone, waiting for price to continue going down now. All right, we got closure in just now. So we're still respecting the zone at this point because price did not close below. So again, if this candle do close bullish, I think I'm gonna close partials on this and wait for price to do something else or create some another structure. I do really need a coffee. It's already 6 p.m. here. I think we are coming down, but once we break this again, the low here will be good. But let's see, because price have rejected twice, so don't know yet. We were so close to break the low here, and price rejected there. Should we wait for this 30-minute candle closure or 15-minute candle closure? Hmm, we just sit and relax, to be honest. I guess I really don't want to say much here, because either price gonna go up, either it's gonna come down. All I want is this 15-minute closure below the structure. That will give me more confirmation. Price will be where price will be going. But if we do not see that, if we do not see that price is not closing below this area, then we might just reject these zones again. All right, we got 16 seconds. So yeah, price did close bullish on this point. No, technically bearish, to be honest. You can see that the white candles are bearish. So it's still good, but we did not close below the zone. So as it did close bearish, I'm gonna give last 15-minute here, as we have 1 hour candle closed as well. So I'm gonna give last 15-minute on this trade. If we do close below this area, I'm gonna close partial and put stop loss at break even. So yeah, but if we do stay above, then I'm gonna close. Even for G, you look at this, it did take out the liquidity and now coming back now. So yeah, for GJ, what did I say? I mean, I just explained on the live stream like what price can do here is that price can come up, and we can see a break of structure. We did not see the break of structure yet. We might see that now, and all we need now is that price do break of the high, and now we see a retest or retest till this zone and coming up again. So yeah, let's see what we can get. But the only trade I'm in is on gold sell. Let's see. I mean, our trade is pretty good one even on gold. Look at this. We had a high here. We did give enough room for this trade to run out. So 36 pips is, I think, enough room, and we put stop loss below above the structure that we had, recent structure that we had, and we did waited for price to give us more confirmation where price it will be heading. So I think according to my analysis, itself. So All right. So yeah, I'm seeing that price is still like, trying to break the lows here, but we still did not get a closure below this area. So still waiting. Let's see how price does move now. I mean, we're just waiting because price is just like now consolidating at this point. As I said, I'm just gonna wait for this 8 minute here now, maximum 8 minutes, because we'll get closure of this 1 hour candle. So yeah, price is now coming back up. Like look at this. So we got how much? We got 6 minute. 6 minute for price to give us the proper direction. If we do hit the stop loss here, we are good. I still think with the new 5 minute candle, we might come back down. This is like, yeah, see, we are rejecting again now. So let's wait for the next 5 minute candle. Let's see what it does then. All right, we got new 5 minute candle open up just now. So now it's going to be important. Like if we do take out the highs here, then we're gonna out of the trade. But that's really important to be honest. So we are our stop loss is at 258350, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it the same thing 258350. There we go. So yeah, let's see now what we do, what price does to be honest. And for the 30 minute closure, we got this is the last 5 minute candle we have. So also the 1 hour candle will close. So it's really important. But there are two ways I can see this happening. Either we're gonna stop out here and then my price might go up, but I was not expecting that as well. Like price did reject this area quite some time. I was not expecting this. Now, if we do break the high, we might continue coming back and making a new high here. But as we did take the trade today, so I'm not gonna take any other trade now. We are close to hit the stop loss. Damn, we got the rejection again. I mean, small rejection, not that big though. We're so close to hit this to hit our stop loss. Just some second, I guess. But in next 1 minute or 2 minutes, the new 1 hour candle will be interesting one where where price will move then. But if we still do consolidation in that 1 hour candle, then there's no volume in the market. Don't trade then. There we go. We hit the stop loss there. Today was not a good day, not the best day, but yeah. Anyway, this is totally okay, but overall we are still good to go. Like overall we're still in profit for the day. Let's do all history. Okay, you can see overall it's still good. So yeah, I mean today we had bad day because we had some consolidating, a lot of consolidating to be honest. But if I had to catch the good move that was in London session, I guess, or maybe now it could be. But to be honest, after this, price could still consolidate. So I'm not gonna trade now. I'm just gonna wait and see what we are doing here. Even on GJ, what we are seeing is no trade idea at this point on GJ as well. Now all we have is that on gold we are closing above within next 26 seconds. Also, our 1 hour candle is like this. So if we close bullish like a really good one, then it would be good that next candle be coming up here. I mean, we should we give another chance here? Question is like if prices consolidate and then we're gonna lose more compared to what we make. Price is like shooting at this point now. How much pip is that? 20 pips? Nah, I don't think so. I'm gonna risk now because we had a good day. Good day yesterday. Like last trade that we took was a really good one, and today, yeah, we had negative 30 pips. That's totally fine. It happens. So what we're gonna do here is come back tomorrow and wait for the right setup and make some money. Overall, we're still good. We're still good in profit. So see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And yeah, have a great evening or whatever time zone you are in. So thank you for watching the live stream. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And thank you for joining us in this amazing trading journey. Also, don't forget to join our Discord community where we are doing giveaway for 500 accounts. All you just need to do is join our Discord community and you will get all the right information you need. So, yeah.